Ever needed to pinpoint a specific user on Discord for a bot command or to report an issue, but didn't know how to grab their unique ID? Don't worry, in this quick tutorial, I'll show you how to find anyone's Discord user ID so you can use advanced features and report problems like a pro. First, open your Discord app or the web version, then right-click on the user's name you want the ID for. You can do this from their message, the members list, or even a profile page. Now, Discord's interface changes. We need to make sure ID viewing is enabled in the bottom left. Click User Settings and then App Settings. Look at your settings and click Advanced inside this menu. Enable Developer Mode by toggling it on. If it isn't on already, go back to the user's profile, right-click, and you should now see a Copy ID option. Click that to copy their unique identifier to your clipboard. This series of numbers is how the app recognizes the individual user. Paste the ID anywhere it's needed, for bot commands, reports, or any other feature that uses user IDs. And that's it. You now know how to easily find anyone's Discord user ID and enhance your Discord experience. Like and subscribe for more Discord tips.